Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different like how to create Instagram post on different niches. Instagram is, as you know, very leading social media platforms, and there are premium buyers on Instagram. So it is very important to maintain an Instagram presence for any brand or YouTube channel or etc. So personality, celebrity. So you can offer this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can offer these services locally, or you can search websites from Google and offer them services to maintain their Instagram account and growing their account. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create an Instagram post for pets. So you reach after learning this skill, you can reach out to the pets website and offer them your services. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing online tool. You don't need to be an expert graphic designing designer or experienced graphic designer. It will do all things for you. So I will click on create a design, and here I search Instagram post. You can choose portrait or square. I will choose square. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So these are the templates. Now I search here in template like pets. As you can see, it provides us different templates, and I love some of the templates. Yeah, like this one. This is a good. So you can also change their images. So I am going to first photos, and I will search here pets. Okay, after that it provides me photos of different pets, so I choose the orientation, and then I will replace the images. We can also change the background, like I'm going to apps, discover, backgrounds, and that's it. Yeah, I like this background. And we can also customize this text, like I love my pets, we love our pets is okay. And that's it. But I think heart look good. Pink no, red. Yeah, it's look good. So guys, as you can see, our Instagram post is ready for we create this post for pets. Like, you can reach out the pets brand and offer them your services. So guys, I have important thing to tell you, that if you don't know anything about Canva and you don't understand what I am doing, so go to my channel Iron Tag, and here I uploaded the complete playlist on Canva designing course. You can know all about Canva from there. So guys, go and learn from there, and also please share and like this channel and share it with yours like friends and family, so they can, I will teach multiple skills and upload multiple courses on my YouTube channel, so you can easily learn these skills and start your earning. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.